Hey guys, I'm Steve. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching us for a while, you know I'm a big fan of the Flextail Tiny Pump X little pump. If you haven't seen that video, you could check right up here in the corner. I'll post it up here for you guys to check out. Well, recently I was going out. We were going out for a trip and I couldn't find it. I don't know what I did with it. It's somewhere at the house, but just couldn't find it. So I went online, checked out what they had to offer these days. And so today we're taking a look at the new Flextail Tiny Pump X 2X, excuse me, Tiny Pump 2X. This is their bigger version. It has a lot longer battery life on this. It can pump up to 30 minutes continuously before it's out of battery. Supposedly, this can fill up about 60 pads worth of air, which is about double what the other one could do. It also has a nice function on it that it has a built-in magnet on this one too. So for I like devices that can do more than one thing. So this is great if you say your car breaks down or if you need to work on it during your trip. This magnetic you could stick it to the hood of your car underneath to work on your engine as you're working. Also still comes with a tiny little hook that you can put in a tent and hang it, and it works great as illuminating your tent at night. I guess it's not really bright enough, I would say, to use it in camp outside, but for inside the tent, works great. It also has a deflate option now too, which the other one doesn't. So it can inflate and it can also deflate. So if you have a gigantic air mattress that you want to use, or say blow up toys like rafts and such, you can actually use this to help deflate it afterwards, which would be a great help in saving some time. It charges with USB-C. So that's always also convenient. The other one was only just regular USB or micro USB. So USB-C is a lot nicer. It's a lot faster charging that way. This one is quite a bit heavier. I believe it's just about 100 grams if I remember correctly, which puts it over the top for me when it comes to backpacking portability. This is not one that I would take with me backpacking just because of the extra weight. But for car camping or just regular setup camping, it works fantastic. It's great if you have a family, because you could fill up everybody's pads for the weekend. You could fill up a whole group's worth and still have plenty of energy left for it. So yeah, I highly recommend it. And we'll take a look at the different accessories that it comes with. So it comes with various nozzles that you can fit on all sorts of different pads and little adapter rings. So whatever kind of pad you have, it can fit it and it can inflate it. So again, this is the Flextail Tiny Pump 2X that I highly recommend. And if you want to check out the link, it's down in our description. We do get a little bit of money back off of that if you use our thing, so it helps the channel. So take a look and check it out.